Manuia loa sofana, Manuia loa sofana, Manuia loa sofana, Manuia lea tua.
Hip hip,
Hip, hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
one for Jesus.
Hooray!
Blow the candles. Go hard, go to her. Help Uncle Papa.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your favorite girl, Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And
It's your boy Baba.
today it is the TOA's birthdays. So we're going to open some presents and then we are going to go and take the boys out. But first, Beb, which one do you want to open first?
You got it. Oh, yeah. Good job, Toa.
Andy! Well, at the moment it's toilet training, so I thought get him some trunks, new trunks. You? Oh, what you up to you? Oh, you want to open a bigger one? Oh!
Wow, Toa.
What is it? Oh! Next,
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you this one.
Wow. Yeah, mommy help you.
This
That's a
one,
hard
Uncle
one.
Baba ordered it and it came in on time.
Wow.
Yeah, this is baby's one.
From Uncle Baba.
Okay, what is
Ooh. Wow, Toa. Read it. What does it say?
Oh, it says happy birthday. It does.
Oh.
Woo!
Show the shoes. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, okay,
Yes.
go.
And do you need help? You go. Yay! Do you remember seeing that and you wanted it?
Okay, next one.
Boys.
Wow.
Do you like it? Okay.
Okay, one more.
Kissy, kissy.
Oh, what do you got, Toa? For something.
Yay!
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, what did Uncle Baba get?
Okay. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy.
None at
Remember the yellow shocks?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Come on.
Go,
dinosaur.
baby.
This is your one son to be a dinosaur. Go. Yay! Good job.
Gore's telling me to push his head in. No.
Not yet, not yet. But yeah, that's about us from here. We're going to make our way to start our day for the two tours. Also, special shout out to our sister, Christine. Happy birthday. Part of the Big Three. And also...
Motu!
Let's
Shout out to our siblings who have turned the big 30.
Hey!
I'm just joking. Shout out to our birthday babies today. Let's go!
Guys, we just made a pit stop for someone that's not special. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's me and Toa's birthday or if it's this person at the back here's birthday. You know, she always has to add herself in. Like, guys, it's me and Toa's day, but no, it's me, Toa, and Sarah's. Because Sarah wanted to stop at Starbucks, but me and the bro at the back just are hungry because we're big backs. And
She used her one wish. That's it.
yeah,
One present.
One present gone. Finish.
Can I get a mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade, please?
Lemonade, what size?
Venti. Nah, that's it. Sometimes when you rock up to like this, yeah, that's not very inviting. Like, it just goes, yeah, how can I help you? Yeah, is that it? Yeah. But if it was me, hey, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you?
You need a job there then.
Nah, I need to teach them how to do the job.
And guys, if you don't like your job, bro, go get a new job. Come on, guys. You know, don't stay at a job that you don't like, guys. And I've learned that. Because I'm liking my job at the moment, so, you know. But guys, if you don't like your job, go pick a new career. Because you'll be like the people at Star Wheels or Toy Wheel, whatever. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking, guys. Honestly, if you don't like your job, it's a new year, new career, new you. But the same you. Hey, yeah.
Honey, the wisdom set the bro already.
Yeah, hey.
That's the 30 in him.
Hey, you're the man.
Guys, I'm not 30 yet.
Happy 30.
I'm not 30. So if there's any girls out there that are under 30, no.
Okay fam, we've come to Water Gardens. They have like this time zone up there with the bowling alley. So we're gonna go and check it out. Toa loves time zone. And this big tour does too. We're gonna see if we're gonna go watch a movie. But I'm trying to be it's not my birthday, it's not about me. But I'm working tonight, so I need sleep.
100%.
What does Big Tour want to do?
You know, once you hit that certain age, under 30 though, you don't really care what you do. Honestly, guys.
Nah, I so second that. Anyways, guys, this is just a mini birthday celebration for the boys. We actually have a trip coming up. And we'll celebrate their birthday on the trip coming up. We actually yeah, like no haircut, no anything. Saving ourselves because we're going on a trip next week.
We just played this for
Okay. Oh. Okay, obviously you can see the bro has started. We just came straight in. Sun is about to go on.
Go, Pepe. Go, son.
Yeah! You're the man, baby. You're the man. Go, you got one more turn. You go, wait. What's he got? Oh, let's go. Yeah!
He reckons
Okay,
yes.
go one more, Pepe. Oh, yeah. What do you got, my boy? Come on. Oh. Yeah! That's my man. All right, my love. Give it your best. Strike for the vlog. Okay.
Are you playing serious?
She wants it. Ooh, good one. Bro, you know what? I'm gonna have to put you guys away, man. I need a lock in, need a focus, bro. Alright, so next time you look at the board.
Wow. Okay, guys, we just got our feed. Birthday boys.
Have a taste, son. Okay. Yummy. All right, so little update. Sun is winning, and then we got Jace, Says, and then me. I don't know, man. I don't know if I can make it.
Guys, there we go. I came last.
And I came second last.
And he came. And that guy over there, the champion.
Let's go for $1 million, right?
Yeah, go baby, go baby. Go baby, go baby. Go for 2, 1. Good job, Pepe. 3, 2, 1. Good job, son.
Go, Pippi! Push the button.
Son, mommy. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Shoot, Pippi! Go, Pippi!
Yeah, you have to hold.
Come, son, let's go hide. Okay, fam, I'm gonna look for a hiding spot. Excuse me. Get out of here. No! You got me! Go get daddy, go get shoot. Who's there? Oh, who's there behind you? Ah! Yo, push! Push up! Push up! Push up! Come on!
Okay, guys, we've chosen our spots.
We set this up, so
Yeah.
happy birthday for the 2 tours.
Yes, 1, 2.
Thanks for coming to my birthday, guys.
Once again, eh, bro.
Once again.
Last year, Goa chose Chinese, but at height weight. This year, he chose Chinese again, but at Water Gardens. Okay, Pepe.
So we got the seafood noodle soup.
Yep.
This is chicken seafood Hokkien noodles.
Melting, look.
Jason's got honey chicken, duck on rice.
From Ducking.
Come on, my bro.
Duck runner.
Duckers. Give us a bite. Give us a bite. That looks fresh. Ooh, yeah.
Too fresh.
Bella. So yeah, we're just gonna get in. Give us a quick little run of this seafood noodle
sure,
soup.
no worries. I got us. We got some noodles,
Yes,
little
yes.
noodles on there.
Yes.
We'll chuck on this bad boy,
Yep, fishbowl.
some of that. First bites for you guys. I seen that on TikTok. I forgot which lady says that. We have a mussel.
Wait, hey, that's from NZ, bro. That's from NZ, bro.
Is this from South Auckland?
Green lip out.
Why is this so? Yeah, I was just gonna say, why is this so small? Are you guys greedy?
That's green lip out.
Yeah, there was a crab in there.
Bang it out.
Can I eat the little crab?
Go down. Fast, go down.
Nah.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're just cooling down Toa's noodles. So yeah, that's it.